That's good wrist action though.
A lot of practice.
Every time.
So guys, welcome back to another video. Me and Ollie are back in the unit, and today we are going to be using this Meguiars headlight restoration kit to make my mx5 headlights look brand new, hopefully.
This kit can be used for any car, not just mx5s, so if you do want to do this on your own car and you don't have an mx5, that's absolutely fine.
But mx5 is the best cars. EP3 is better.
So have a quick look at what comes in the Meguiars kit. Lots of goodies. So we've got a nice wheel to go on the drill. We got
A bit of splodge.
Plaster X, clear plastic cleaner and polish, removes fine scratches, cloudiness and stubborn oxidization. I don't believe it, we'll have to wait and see. It also comes with a few little sanding pads that are stuck together. And of course, what everyone needs, instructions.
So this is how they look before we've done anything. But a little bit cloudy. And I've actually restored these quite recently, but obviously not very well. But yeah, in light it looks pretty awful. They look very bad in the dark, but
Might actually be able to see where you're going if you restore them.
so I'm just going to mask around the headlight. I don't want to get any of that cutting compound on any of the rubbers really, so I'm going to try and get some tape around the edge to protect those. And we'll just work our way all the way around. So the kit comes with two sanding pads. They're double-sided and they're labelled 1, 2 to 4. Starting 1, going through to 4. We're just going to wet sand the headlights. So I'm going to spray a bit of the mist on, and then I am going to pre-wet the sandpaper as well. And just go side to side.
There's no use crying over spilt milk.
So I've just done number 2 sounding pad on the passenger side headlight, and what I'm doing differently about the second one, instead of going horizontally, and now I'm going up and down just to sand out those horizontal scratch marks. So finish with number 2. I'm now going to do number 3, back to a horizontal motion. I'll start on this side this time. Again, still wet sanding. Going to move on to the last sanding pad, which is number 4. Back to a vertical motion. Again, I'm going to wet sand as well. So I've put the Meguiars woolly pad inside our lovely Roby drill. I'm just going to apply some of this Plaster X, or whatever you call it.
Plaster X.
Plaster. Pretty messy. And I'm just going to spread it around the headlight. Then start using the woolly pad. So I have finished now polishing this side with the wool. So you can see it's nice and clear now. If you compare it to the side I currently, just after the sanding steps, it's still quite cloudy. So I'm just going to crack on, polish this side, and then we'll show you how it looked before and how it looks now. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped you if you're trying to do your own DIY headlight restoration.
Definitely needs to be done on my car, so that'll be happening soon.
We need this free Ollie's spider in the headlight.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, again, thanks for watching. Make sure if you did enjoy this video, like and subscribe, because then we can create some more videos for you all to watch.
Did it.